What's up, guys? Welcome back to yet another video. Right now I am en route to meet up with the other LC 500s that we're going to be cruising up with to Rancho Santa Fe Cars and Coffee. I will try to get some cool footage of everybody on the highway if I can. But yeah, let's hurry up over there. I'll pick the camera back up when we meet up with them because I am running a little late and I got to make up some time. Yeah, see you guys soon. Yeah, we got 3 of the LCs here right now. About to head out to the car show, and I guess the 4th one's gonna meet us there. All right, so we are off. Orange LC leading the way. Nightfall Micah behind us. This is cool having 3 LCs together, man. Last time when I was just driving with me and Steve in the orange LC, we had a lot of people watching us on the highway up there. The 2 LCs coming up on my left right now. Beautiful orange, beautiful dark blue. When the sun hits that thing, you get to see all the little sparkles in it, and it's so nice, man, so nice. He's lowering the roof. All I can do is open my windows. No, it's a 458 coming through. Ring edition LMA. Wow. Oh, that's so cool. Highlight of the show. All right, so we are heading out. Actually gonna meet some guys for a little bit to go see some autocross stuff happening. But at the event, we also ran into Frank, and he's in front of us with the RCF, so we'll catch up to him in a second. Oh, you guys heard that pop. Oh man, those downshifts right there. Woo! We're now here at Autocross. None of us are running, but we are parked up looking real pretty. At least we can say that. Got an M2 going around right now. Right, we did switch over to go to this rally cross to go check it out, and you guys seen that guy flip. Now I'm gonna go get some food with this orange GSF and Eric. So you guys should be able to hear this Novell exhaust on this GSF. Sounds so cool. That does not sound amazing, man. God.